RallyWorks is excited to introduce the Cow Anatomy 3D Flip Chart. The Cow Anatomy 3D Flip Chart actually has its own stand with lockable wheels, so it is movable, but it also locks in place. The frame can also be mounted to a wall, so then you can put it up and have it up at all times, or it also is available to put on a desktop, and it has legs that flip out, and you can set it there and being able to use it in a classroom setting on a table as well. It is whiteboard usable, so I can write on it. I can then erase as well. So it allows me to be able to write on the anatomy here, be able to show different features, be able to interact with it, and have my students do the same thing. It starts with the outer view of the cow. We also have a call out here of the back end of the cow, so you can talk about different types of judging, different types of structures that you need to talk about with the cow anatomy. Then all I have to do is open up, and as I'm opening up or flipping open our chart here, you see the skeleton and internal organs, the next layer of the cow anatomy, being able to show students what is going on with the skeleton and then where the different internal organs are placed. We also have a hoof as a call out, being able to see the bone structure and work through that and have students understand how important hoof care really is. Now, you then can flip one more time here, and when I flip open, we have the cutaway view of the organs. Now we're able to see inside the stomach, seeing the different parts, seeing the reproductive system, seeing the udder here, and really see how it all works together. We also have a call out of the reproductive tract, so students can understand where the bladder is, where the tract goes, and how the digestive system works, and where all those pieces are. Again, then you can use this to kind of interact with it and have your students be able to see where, if you go back to the skeletal view, the skeleton, the ribs cover the stomach. And then you can also see how big the stomach really is compared to other parts of the animal. But again, it allows you as an instructor to be able to teach and showcase the different parts of the cow anatomy and let students get involved being able to learn how to use it as well.